Yesterday, what we discussed, creation of enterprise structure, right? And loading it into the system. Correct? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Raghu.
Now, once we completed this topic, we have to, next topic is enterprise, manage enterprise HCM information. See, am I audible clearly or else are you getting any disturbance?
You are audible.
Okay. See, observe over here. This is already created HCM information. When you are created, when you are loaded, like what I can say, like enterprise structure, these information will not be captured. You have to come down over here and you have to do all these things. Clear? So actually, when we are creating the enterprise structure also, if you observe, automatically Reliance Group is came up over there. Why? Because it is already loaded. That's why it is coming same thing. So whatever you loaded from the enterprise structure, same enterprise only will come up over here. Clear? So now what you have to do in the sense, you will get an option like correct and update. See what happens if I do the correct. See, if I am doing the correct, if I am choosing the option correct, it is not asking any date. It will take the by default date is effective of this record date. Okay. So just click on cancel. If I am doing, if I am choosing update, it is asking for the effective dates. What it makes, update in the sense, you are doing the updates on existing record, effective of these dates. Okay. So if you correct whatever the existing record is there, on same effective date, it will be corrected. Update if you are doing in the sense, suppose example, update I'm doing from today's effective date, means, see, till over here the time is 8:30, it is given, right? Till yesterday's date, it will be 8:30. If you are correcting over here, 00 like this, from today onwards, it will be 8. Till yesterday, it is 8:30 only. That is update. Are you getting what is meant by update and what is meant by correct? Hello?
Sir.
Okay. Now, coming to, now I'm just doing correct and I will try to explain everything. See, this information you will get directly from the enterprise structure after loading the enterprise structure. Come over here. So this is whatever we are capturing over here, very, 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 very important, sir. Okay. Everything is, each and every attribute is important over here. Okay. Means if it is not specific to country, all the attributes are important. Just listen very carefully whatever I'm explaining it to you. See, over here, workday information is there. Okay. Workday information in the sense, if any employee, when you hire any employee, when you hire any employee, the employees who all are works under this enterprise. So actually, we will hire an employee under the legal employer. That the topic we will discuss later. That now you just understand like if I am hiring any employee under this enterprise, what is the start time and what is the end time, and how many hours he supposed to work for weekly. This information we will capture over. By default, who all are working under this enterprise, everyone will get this one is the by default start time and end time. You may ask the doubt, Raghu, if my requirement is some people within my enterprise, some people will work for different timings, some people will work for different timings. For that one, see, enterprise level we can maintain, and same information we will provide it legal entity also. Okay. So whatever the information we provided at the enterprise level, we can override it legal entity level. And same information we will provide it business unit level also. Means who all are coming under that business unit, everyone will follow the same one. Okay. And department level also. Okay. And location level also. So in order to get on department from the business unit level, in order to attach, we have a concept called work schedule assignment. Okay. Even we can assign at the assignment level also. See, we can maintain at enterprise level. If any person is hired under the system, it will check what is the start time and end time of workday information, assignment level. It is not available. It will check this one. Then after it will check this one. Then after it will check this one. Then after it will check this one. If nothing is there, it will follow over here. Got it? Hello.
Yes, Raghu.
Raghu.
Clear.
See, now you can annual working day also you can maintain over here. Hours like that. So weekly 40 in the sense annually something like 4160 like that it will come. Some value like okay. Now this workday information is completed, right? Now the topic is enterprise information. See over here in the enterprise information, the options, what are the options that you are getting? Worker number generation, okay, person number generation. See, person number, person number, person number, okay, person name and worker number. Clear? So, prior to explaining all these things, I will explain what is meant by person number and what is meant by worker number. Okay. Listen carefully. Okay. See, person number in the sense when a employee entered to the system in the sense this enterprise, we call some system or enterprise or instance. Okay, when a person is hired into the system, okay, one number is generated. Okay, this number is maintained globally. Okay. Means at the enterprise level. RL, if you are asking about worker number, see what happens in the sense. I will show you. See, over here, this is Vijay Gupta. His person number is like employee number is 3008. We hired this employee. We hired this employee under this legal entity, right? Hello? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If I am saying correctly, we will hire an employee under the legal employer. I will explain this one later. But right now you understood like we hired under this legal entity. Am I right or not?
Yes, Raghu.
Yes. Means what I'm trying to explain over here is whenever a employee is hired, he will work for or he will be hired under one legal employer. Legal entity only legal employer. You for now you will understood legal employer entity only the legal employer. But later I will explain what is the difference between both of them. Okay. So employee will work under the legal entity. Correct. See, if you want to maintain a number globally at enterprise level, that is person number. Okay. If you want to maintain any number at legal entity level, that is called as worker number. Means if a person is came under enterprise, then he will have the number like person number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Under the legal entity, he will have 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? If he moved one from within the same legal entity, within the same enterprise, he moved from one legal entity to another legal entity. Okay, this is considered this is legal entity 1. Okay, now he moved from legal entity 1 to legal entity 2. The number will be changed, but person number will be remains same for employee. Got it? Got it or doubt?
Can you repeat once?
Coming to this, what is mean by person number and what is mean by worker number? Person number is maintained globally, irrespective of transfers. Person number remains same. Worker number, it's legal entity specific. If a employee is moved from one legal entity to another legal entity, we call it as global transfer. If a legal entity is changed, the worker number will be changed. Okay. Now, come to our topic. Coming to our topic, worker number generation. See, over here, you can use manually, you can create, or else you can, if you don't want, not used. And manually is okay, and not used is also okay, that you understood. Raghu, what all are these options, Raghu? automatic generation using global sequence, automatic generation using legal employer sequence. What happens if I choose automatic generation using global sequence and legal employer sequence? See, over here, global sequence, global sequence and legal employer sequence. Clear? Now, I will explain. There is a legal entity 1. Listen carefully. And another one is legal entity 2. And third one is legal entity 3. Okay. One employee is, suppose example, here the number is under the legal employer, 3 employees are there. They are getting 1, 2, 3. Okay. And over here, listen very carefully. Another employee is hired under the legal entity 2. Once after hired 3 employees under the legal entity 1, in the legal entity 2, another employee is hired. New employee, new hire is happening. Means over here, what is the number we supposed to give for that new employee? If you want to give 4, why? Because up to here, over here 3 is completed now. If you want to give 4, then you have to choose global sequence. If you want to give 1 for this new legal entity, no employees hired under this legal entity. If you want to give 1, if that new employee should get the 1, then you are following legal employer sequence. How many of you understood this one? Hello. Hello. Ravi, Sai.
Yeah,
Street.
understand, Raghu.
Ah,
Yeah, I got it, Raghu.
super. This is called as global sequence. This is called as legal employer sequence. See, all these options that you should aware of whenever you are going for the implementation. As a consultant, you should explain all these things to the business. How you want your system should be configured. Okay, these things that you should ask the questions to the home business. Now, coming to over here. So you understood these options, right? You can choose any one of these based upon your requirement. Okay. Now, coming to person number generation, manual and what it means. These are the 2 options that we are getting. That is automatic prior to submission or automatic upon final save. What does it mean, sir? Automatic prior submission, automatic final save. See, it means whenever we are hiring an employee, let me hire an employee. Okay. New person. Click on hire an employee. Randomly, I will give some values in order to hire an employee. Just I'm giving only mandatory fields. See, what is the option that we are getting over here, sir? Automatic prior to submission. Okay. Automatic prior to submission means prior to submit itself, employee number should be generated automatically. If I am choosing prior to submission. Okay. If I am choosing automatic upon final save, if I am clicking on save, then only it will create. Prior to submission in the sense until this step, until prior to the save, prior to the submission, until this step, it will be created automatically. If I am choosing final save, upon this save button, clicking on save button only, this employee number will be generated. How many of you understood this one? Any doubt?
No, Raghu.
Hello. Hope you understood this point.
Yes, Raghu.
Okay. So now, next point, initial number generation. Initial number generation. I will give you one example over here. What is this initial number generation? Why we give this one? Yeah, here we have an example. Okay. See, person numbers I'm giving in this way. And person numbers I'm giving in this way. Which one is looking good, sir? If I'm asking, Akhil, what is your person number in the sense? If you are saying 1 is good, looking good, or is 000 001 is good?
It's one.
One is good.
It's a one only.
I didn't got.
One only is good.
Which one is looking like person number, yeah? Person ID or person number?
Without zeros.
Without zeros is looking good.
Yes.
If 1,000 you are having number is 1 and another people is having number is, you hired nearly 1 lakh people, that another people is having like, does it looking good? Your number is 1 and some other person number is this one. Hello.
No, Raghu. Based on their requirement.
Your voice is very low. Akhil, Srinu, Ravi. See, always, what is your employee ID in the sense 1, 2, 3, 4? This is not looks good. Everyone will choose like in this way. 000, 1, 2, and once after, when you hired nearly 10 employees, then it will nearly 142 employees you hired in the sense 142. It looks like 000 000 142. This one is looks good, right?
Yes,
If
Raghu.
you want to create the first number, what is the initial person number? If you want to create initial number as 000 000 1, then when you are hiring an employee, the first person will have the person number is 00001. First employee. So second one 00002. And if you hired nearly 123 employees, then how it looks like? It will looks like 000123. Clear? Now, coming to person number creation, duplication check. See, this is very, whatever I'm discussed over here, everything is a interview question. Whatever we are discussing over here, everything is an interview question. Everything they will ask in the interview. Okay. Person creation, duplicate check. Person creation, duplicate check. See what it means. Person creation, duplicate check. See, Ravi is there. Okay. Ravi is worked. Ravi is worked in the Infosys. Okay. From 2020 to 2020. Then he left the organization in 2023, and in the 2023 he started working from 2023 to 2025. He worked in Capgemini. Okay. Then what happened? Again, this Ravi decided to, in 2025, again he come back to work in Infosys. Understood what is the scenario? Ravi worked from 2020 to 2023 in the same in Infosys. Then he moved to Capgemini. He moved to Capgemini in 2023, worked 2 years over there. In 2025, Ravi decided to, he got an offer again from the Infosys. He's coming back to Infosys. So over here, my question is, in 2023, when Ravi is hired into the Infosys, they are using Fusion HCM only. His person number is 4280. Okay. Again, in 2025, again he came back, right? He should have the person number 4280, same one only or different one? What is the expectation? Company will expect same one only, right? No need to create another new one. Hello.
Yes,
Initially,
it
Ravi
will.
is having 4280. Again, he's coming back in 2025. He's supposed to have the same personality, right? Then
Yes, he'll be having same personality.
it is expected. Okay, company will expect in the same way. Then how? See, suppose example, I hired Ravi. Okay, I hired Ravi, and what I have done in the sense, I'm terminated this Ravi. Okay, after termination is happened, again what I do? I will do. See, first point, when in 2023, one HR will be there, he or she hired this Ravi. In 2025, same HR may not be there. If same HR is there also, he may forget or he may can't what I can say, remember that Ravi is already worked in 2020 to 2023. In that scenario, what happens? New HR comes. Again, that new HR will come over here. And what he will do? He will hire Ravi like Mr. Again, he will hire like Ravi, first name, Ravi Kumar. Okay. And middle name. Okay. Like this, he will be hiring. Okay. Now, come down. He will give all the information like national identifier, it's like if your national identifier in the sense, for India, it's a Aadhaar card, like. Okay. And he will click national identifier is giving after entering, he will click next. Okay, see what it is giving. Kumar Raj and this it is matching with other persons records. Okay, it is matching with existing these records. How the system is checking? See, over there are something like last name, first name, date of birth, gender, or national ID. If these all are matching, or else you can keep only the national ID. National ID is different from one employee to another employee, right? For sure. Hello. Clear? So, if you are keeping this national ID, whenever I'm giving the same national ID, suppose example, Ravi is there. For Ravi, already one record is there. It is existing record. Over there, that employee, this Ravi is resigned or else terminated. If whenever I'm hiring Ravi again in 2025, over here, if I'm choosing the national ID, which is already existing for the 2022-2023 record. If I'm giving the same national ID, what happens? System will say that if whenever I'm clicking on next, system will say already this Ravi record is existing. Okay. And it will show. Okay. See, person creation duplication check. Prior to creation of person ID, it will check. It will tell you, Raghu, this record is already existing. Do you want to rehire the same record or else do you want to new hire? As per the duplication check, this record is already existing. Then what you have to do, you have to go to that same record, select this person. If this person, selecting the, you will be creating a new person, continue anyway. If you want to, what I can say, rehire the same employee, you can rehire. Hope you got this info. Hello. Ravi. Hope you are understanding.
Yes, Raghu, understood.
Yes, sir.
Shiva, Sharath, Akhil, Hariprasad, Sai Kiran. Any doubts?
No doubts, Raghu, understood.
Now, next point is, so whatever we are discussing, everything is important. If you have any doubt, you can use the chat. Okay. Now, coming to
Yeah, Raghu, in initial person number, can we change it later? Maybe if you decide some.
your voice is very low. Can't even hear it. Yep.
Is
Tell
it
me,
okay
Akhil.
now?
Yeah, better. Please.
Yeah, initial person number we will mention something, right? Later, can we change it like that or?
Initial person number we use something like okay. Later we can change in the sense, yes, we can change later. But the thing is, again it will take that from that same person number, initial person number.
Raghu, your voice is very low.
My voice. See, what I'm trying to explain is initial person number, you will maintain the one number. Again, if you are providing another number, system will take from that number as an initial number for the new hires,
Okay, is
not
that
the existing employees.
okay?
Clear?
Yes, yes. And in workday information, if it is a person to person, is a different employment hours. Like in same department, also it's different from the person to person. Then how we will
See,
configure?
that topic I told you now, there is a concept work schedule assignment. So as of now, whatever the workday information we are providing at the enterprise level, it will be cascade to all the employees. Okay. But when we are using work schedule assignments, this topic will be covered in absence. And it's a shared concept between absence and OTL. Okay. So there I will explain how we can maintain a business unit and department location, even job and position and assignment level also. There we can discuss. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If I'm maintaining at the assignment level, different assignments will have different workday information. Yeah, okay. Now, clear up to here? Any doubts? Now, coming to very important topic, sir. This one is employment model. This is employment model. See, we have two-tier multiple contract, two tiers multiple assignment, and mostly we can bifurcate all these things into two, like two-tier and three-tier, right? Correct. Then after we will discuss what is this multiple and these things under. First we will discuss what is two-tier and three-tier. Okay. See, already I written over here. Just see over here. See, what is this two-tier and three-tier? First of all, and how different is three-tier from two-tier, and which is preferable? What happens if I choose two-tier and what happens if I choose three-tier? Employment models. See, listen carefully. In two-tier model, first I will explain two-tier. In two-tier model, there are two things, work relationship and assignment. I will show it to you where you can see that one. See, in the two-tier, if you observe over here, see, this is two-tier model. Over here, work relationship is there and assignment is there. What I'm trying to explain, based upon the options, employment model that you are choosing, okay, based on this, whenever we are hiring an employee, this information like work relationship, assignment details, these things will come up over here. In two-tier, we will maintain work relationship and assignment. Okay, see over here, work relationship in the sense, for which legal, in the work relationship we will maintain, for which, under which legal entity that is employee is working, under this which legal entity, what is his role, is an employee or else contingent worker or else pending worker or else non-worker. I will explain worker type in future classes. What is the relation with that legal entity? It's a employee. Okay. Now, coming to what is the work that we are assigned to this employee? We are assigned under this business unit. He is supposed to do all this assignment. Okay. He's supposed to do this assignment. This is called as what's a two-tier. In two-tier, we will maintain legal employer, worker, contract type, non-worker or pending worker, contract employee or else employee. Okay. or else employee. In the assignment, we will maintain job, position, workday info, okay, and FTE value. Am I right or not? In the over here, you can observe we are maintaining the assignment level these information and manager info, all these information. Where you will get, you will maintain at 2-tier. In the 2-tier, if I am choosing, just listen carefully, if I am choosing 2-tier, okay, like this. Over here, whenever you are hiring an employee, the record will be created in this way, like work relationship and assignment details. In the work relationship, the information is legal employer and under which legal employer that candidate is working, with the which relationship that he is working, and what is the assignment details, sir? Means what is the work that he is doing? What is the assignment that assign it to that employee? Got it? This is 2-tier. Now coming to what is 3-tier, sir? 3-tier in the sense, if I am choosing a 3-tier, over here, if I am choosing a 3-tier, okay. See what happens before over here in between work relationship and assignment details, in between these two, employment terms will come. We will get employee terms. Okay, employee terms. What we will maintain at the employment terms? What we will maintain at the employment terms? See, observe very carefully. In work relate 2-tier and 3-tier, whatever the 2-tier is there, same things will be there like work relationship and assignment. Whatever in the work relationship that we maintain, in the 3-tier also, we will maintain same information. At the assignment level, in the 2-tier, whatever the information that we are maintaining, same we will maintain at the 3-tier assignment level also. In employment terms, whatever at the assignment level that we are maintaining, same things that we will maintain, but in 3-tier, under the employment terms, we will maintain contract details. Apart from whatever we are maintaining at the assignment level, information, apart from this one, we will maintain contract details. So what is the difference between 2-tier and 3-tier? In 3-tier, we will have employment terms. Whatever at the assignment level that we are maintaining, everything we will maintain at the employee terms. But apart from this one, we will maintain contract details. Contract details in the sense, then what is the use of contract details? Contract details in the sense, if you are working in UAE, Arab countries, though you are a permanent employee, that employee, if you are a permanent employee, you will work under the contract. Am I right or not? Hello? Got the point? Any doubt?
Okay, Raghu, can you repeat it again?
Difference between 2-tier and 3-tier in the sense, in the 2-tier, we will have work relationship and assignment. This point is clear? Hello? This point is clear.
Yes, Raghu, that's it.
So if I'm coming to the 3-tier, then one extra thing is there, that is employee terms. In the implied term, what is the information that we will maintain? Whatever the information that we maintain at the assignment level, same information that we will maintain at the implied terms. But one extra information that we will maintain, apart from 2-tier, we will maintain like contract details. This contract details that we will maintain at the 3-tier. Okay. Now, you just observe over here, sir. If I am opening this 3-tier itself, now, earlier we don't have 2-tier multiple contract, 2-tier single contract. Means now very like last 4 to 5 years, 1 second. Okay. Last very not very recently, very from long back itself. 2-tier itself. Earlier we don't have, sir. In 2-tier itself, we are having single contract and multiple contract. Then now you tell me which one is better option to choose, 3-tier or 2-tier. So this contract details is already we can get it in 2-tier multiple contract and 2-tier single contract. Then we no need to take the 3-tier, right? Hello.
Yes,
Hope you
Raghu.
understood what I'm trying to explain.
Yes.
Even this contract details we can maintain in 2. So difference between 2-tier, 3-tier is having the contract details only. So if I'm getting this contract detail, if you can maintain this contract details in 2-tier itself, then you no need to use this 3-tier, right? Which one is the preferable to use? 2-tier or 3-tier?
2-tier.
And in the 2-tier, which one is mostly we will use? We will use like 2-tier multiple assignment or else 2-tier single assignment. Generally, we will use this one. And one more point, whatever the information that we are providing over here, this enterprise information is overrided. We can override this information at legal entity level. So, Raghu, you may ask the question, Raghu, 2-tier single assignment is okay. That is okay. But it is generally you are given at the enterprise level. But some of the UAE countries, some of the Arab countries, we call it as GCC countries, right? Bahrain, Kuwait, Qatar, okay, Saudi, all these countries, we will call it as GCC countries, 5 countries. For these 5 countries, there is a contract will be there. Okay, then what you have to do, whenever you are creating that legal entity, over there also you can choose this employment model, sir. For that Saudi related legal entity, over there, you just choose 2-tier single assignment. Then whatever we choose over here, it will be overridden. Got it? Hello?
Yes, Raghu.
Any doubt? Stop.